So we are meeting after a long time. So for my viewers, please introduce yourself.
Definitely, ma'am. So, as you know, my name is Vijay Lakshmi. I am from Rajasthan. I am a government employee in the education department in Rajasthan as a teacher, and I am a mother also. I have a son. And if I talk about my hobbies, so nowadays I am keeps busy in the gardenings, that all time busy, and that's all about me.
Hmm. Which subject do you teach in your class?
I usually teach English literature 11th and 12th classes.
Hmm. Do you want my introduction?
If you want to give and for the viewers, you can carry on. Otherwise, it's not required, I think. So inspired by you.
Why?
Oh, once we met in, I think that it's winter time and we talked, we have a conversation. So you inspired me. We should start in any time and any tough
Hmm.
situation. So that time
Hmm.
I take courage to take the step and I also created a YouTube channel.
Okay. So today we are doing a role play. In this role play, there are two characters. One is policeman, and second is that person. In their house there is a robbery. Okay,
Yeah.
he is a victim. You can say he is a victim.
Okay, you mean to say the person who robbed by any person.
Yes,
Okay, okay. We can say
someone
the
has stolen all the items like jewelry, cash, and laptop. There are so many things are missing.
yeah. Okay, okay.
So I am the policeman, and you are the victim. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
You have called me. Yes, ma'am. You have called me.
Yes, yes, sir, definitely. You know, you can see easily the condition of my house. All things are spread here and there. Someone broke into my house. I was out of my home, and it's
Hmm.
happened evening 5 p.m. And I usually go for a walk. That time it's happened with me. And what can you do? You can easily
Are
watch
you
the
working? Are you working? Working
Yes,
woman?
yes. I am a working woman. I am a teacher.
Hmm. So in the morning, on which time you left your house? 7 a.m. or 8 a.m.?
I usually leave my house 7 a.m. but say the incident happened in evening time when I usually go for a walk.
Hmm. Okay. Evening time when you were on your walk. That and
Yeah.
after that, when you come back your house, you find there are something are messy. Something is
Yes, yes.
fishy and okay. So
I
what is the missing items? What is
sorry.
the missing items from your house?
My laptop is missed here. Also some jewelry and golden trinket. You can nose pin, little bit ring and a bracelet also. So these kind of things. I am unable to figure out these kind of things. I try to find and
Hmm.
one or two, three the silver utensil also in a puja car in my
Hmm.
temple. That's also the missed here.
In your house, do you install the CCTV?
Yeah, yeah, I installed CCTV, but I think the wire cut earlier before they broke into my house. So there is a no clue and there is a no clip in the CCTV.
Hmm. Do you find any suspicious person who was just, you can say Reiki, who was just, watching your house in a suspicious eyes? Have you observed any person?
Exactly, I can't say anything, sir, because nowadays the season of the fair and different kind of no puja and temples, and also a famous temple in the my neighboring my neighbor.
Hmm.
The lot of people comes and go. I can't say anything exactly.
Okay. Do your neighbors have CCTV in their houses?
Yeah, yeah, sir. We can check. I think that every house put the CCTV cameras.
Okay. So, ma'am, first you should make a list like what kind of jewelry is missing, and you should also give us a receipt because
Yeah,
receipt is a proof that all the jewelry is yours. Okay. And second thing, you should observe the whole house, like, and you should never touch anything in your house. We will send a forensic team
yeah,
for
yes.
finding their fingerprints.
Yeah, sir. First, I felt very nervous, so I am unable to figure out the things. Yeah, I try to, and I also ask some
Ma'am,
help.
you should have some patience, and you should again and again, think what are exactly amount is missing. You should check your drawers also.
Yeah, sir. I try to get the some I try to the get rid of my nervousness, and I try to make a list also. And I am calling my family member. They are also out of the house.
Where is your husband right now? Where is your husband right now?
So outside there is something urgent work in the market. So we all
Hmm.
members are out. House was totally empty that time.
Okay. Um, right now I'm sending a lady constable who will live today for today's night, and after that, I think your husband will come.
Yeah, yes, sir. Definitely, I try to figure out
With
the what.
assistance, yes, with assistance of that lady constable, you should make a list which articles are missing from your house. After that, we will file a FIR.
Yeah, sir. And please try to work hard to catch the robbers. Otherwise, it's a happen every next home. So you
Mm,
should do something, sir. It is a serious matter, and especially in this season. And you
mm,
should also put into the behind the bar. And sometimes
mm.
it's give something, and they we are unable to prove the charge, and they easily get rid and the charges. When will you do? When will you try to?
We will try our best, and whenever we got your jewelry, your all the cash, we will immediate inform you. But first, you should make the list.
Some jewelry is a
and
very
and and yes, if you are able to think, like there are some serial numbers on the note which you have taken from the bank, so you should inform us, then
yes,
it will
sir.
be very easy to find out your hard cash.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. First, you should make a list all the robbed items. Second, you should execute all the receipt of your ornaments.
yeah.
And third thing, like she is Bimlaji, she will assist you. How
Oh,
should you make the list? And after that, we will file a report and we will investigate this matter.
yeah, yes, sir. Some trinket is very close to my heart. I want
I
to.
can understand your feelings. I can understand your feelings. But, ma'am, I think it's my, feeling there is someone who is just, close to your family who had done this. Because I observed the gate, front gate, it was not broken.
Maybe, but I think I am unable to think anything. Who will be done these kind of the
Right
activity?
now you are feeling nervous, so I think you are not able to think all these things, but Bimla ji will help you.
Yeah. Okay. So how
Okay,
long you catch? How long will
how
you?
can I say how long I will catch those thieves? It will take time, but yes, we will do our best,
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you for
because
your.
Rajasthan police is always with you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so it was a role play and the conversation between the policeman and the homemaker.
Okay, man.
So what do you think about role play? Do you think role play is really very helpful for improving our English?
Yeah, it's a very helpful, and but sometimes we haven't any experience. That time we not stuck, and we can't
Hmm.
for words. How can we express the my idea? We have no lot of ideas in our minds. So there lot of traffic of the ideas.
Hmm.
What is the
Hmm.
better way of to the words according to the
Hmm.
system?
Do you think these kind of role play or any topic discussion is developing some critical thinking?
Definitely, no doubt.
Hmm. Like today's conversation is totally random conversation. Do you think these are really helpful for improving our speaking skills?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. No, when we are going to develop the communication skill and do, learning new language, so that time we face na different situation. We can't say we have a proper situation. So our mind is prepared for the new situation. So we ready to think. Oh, earlier I faced these kind of, and I also tackle easily. So next time I will also tackle. And sometimes our confidence is more important than the
Hmm.
sentence, than the word.
Yes. Yes, in the first session, I can say like sometimes it's not up to the mark role play, but in the second time you can enhance. You can
Yeah.
think, okay, what is the missing in this conversation? So we can add.
Yes, that time our you can say our mind is prepared to ready the answer. I am going to
Yes,
face the uneasy situation, and it's a depend on our subconscious mind, I think.
yes, and these kind of conversation or role play give you new ideas. How can you create new different role play? I think it's a very totally different role play.
It is the brainstorming. Now brainstorming activity, and our brain is starting quickly to get the idea,
Hmm.
searching new
Yes,
words.
yes, this is a exact proper word brainstorming activity.
Yeah.
Okay, so bye bye.
Bye. Take care. Have a great day.
Same to you.